What's up, guys? My name is Eddie and welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys just to let you know why it is that you need to be selling on multiple platforms. So look, just real quick, right in back of me is my little board, some of which I still use, part of which I don't. I'm going to probably end up taking this part down, my listing goals, because I kind of changed that up. I kind of know what I want to do, and I usually stick to it, so I don't really need that anymore. I used that in the beginning. This side is, just some of my sales goals and things like that. But this side right here in the middle is going to be the main thing I want to talk about. This right here. All right, so let me switch this around. All right. So, what we got here is now, a lot of people saying that it's slow online and you got slow sales, and which it is. Now, about 2 months ago, I was only selling on eBay. Now, these are the total sales that I got so far that I'm shipping out myself, that is, since Thursday. So we're talking about since Christmas, all right? So I had one order on Poshmark, which isn't much. As of right now, and this is Sunday night, I got 16 orders to ship out tomorrow, Monday, on eBay. I'll probably have a few more by the morning. I got 3 orders to ship out on Marketplace, 2 on Mercari, 7 on Amazon, and that don't count the FBA orders. So I've had multiple altogether. Probably about 20 orders altogether since Thursday on Amazon with FBA orders. So I got 29 orders total. Now here's the thing: about 2 months ago, I wasn't cross-listing, guys. I wasn't cross-listing at all. What I was doing was just eBay. So had I stuck with just eBay, I would only have 16 orders right now. 16 orders. But look at this. Because I started cross-posting, I got 10, 12, 13 extra orders. 13. You got to have your hooks in many ponds, man. You got to spread your net out. And the way I started doing this, well, except for Amazon, is I started using lists perfectly. And it allowed me, and also these 3 Facebook Marketplace orders, these are just orders that I'm shipping, guys. I've had multiple orders, even since Thursday, that I've met people and done cash exchanges, or they paid me either through, PayPal or something like that. So those are just orders that I ship out through Marketplace. That don't even count the orders that I meet up with people and do cash exchanges or PayPal or Cash App and all of that. So that's even multiple. So you got FBA orders with that. I got other orders that, meetup orders with that. But I'm just going by orders that I'm shipping out come tomorrow, Monday morning. I got 29 orders, 7, 2. So yeah, it's slow, but that's why you got to spread your net. You got to be able to, increase your chances of having sales. And the one way you do that is by cross-posting. Now, I will tell you this, though. I will say this. There's 2 things, all right? There's 2 things you got to watch out for. One is, do not forget to delist. Even though I use lists perfectly, I have forgotten to still delist the item that's sold maybe on Marketplace that I had on eBay. And then I got to eat the cost because I still got to ship it, right? I either got to go out and buy it and ship it, or I got to drop ship it. So that's the one thing. I will say this. This brings in extra cash, right? This will bring in extra cash, and it's a must do. But it does require more processing power, man, and it takes more energy, because shipping in all these different platforms, once I'm done shipping on eBay, now I got to go. Now, Mercari and Poshmark's a little easier, right? They give you the pre-made labels. Amazon may be a little bit different. Facebook is a little bit different. I do my own labels on Facebook. They give you an option to use one of their labels. I've never done it that way before, so I don't know how that is, or if you get a deal or not. I just like to create my own labels just in case. But to have to switch between platforms and shipping, and sometimes you might got to use pirate ship and all of that. That can be mentally taxing sometimes, especially on the weeks when I have 30 something orders just from eBay alone, and then I got orders from these other places. So I will say that you got to be careful with making sure you delist, and that's another good thing with List Perfect. So what I do is, I'll put all my orders in on eBay, or not orders, I'll put all my listings up on eBay first. And then from eBay, I import what I'm going to cross list to List Perfectly. And then from List Perfectly, I cross post to, either Facebook, Macari, Poshmark, or whatever. It's just those ones right now. I ain't using, but they have other options, but I'm not using those right now. So that way I know, if I have a sale on those sites, that I do need to go back and make sure I delist it at a minimum on eBay. Definitely don't want to get no hit on eBay. I know with Marketplace, they canceling the order or not fulfilling the order will affect your seller metrics. I don't know what happened. I canceled one order. They want you to stay under 10%. That one order got me 9%. So I'm still good. I don't know what happens. It just says going over it affects your seller metrics. I don't know what happens if you go over that 10%. I'm not trying to go over that. And so, in fact, one of the orders that I got to ship out is an order that sold on eBay. I shipped it out on eBay and I didn't take it down off of Marketplace. Now I got to go buy this item. So I'm about to lose like $8 on this one. All right, but that's okay because I sold like 2 large items. I sold like a air compressor or a nail gun or something like that, and the guy paid like $40 shipping. So that was like an $80-something order. And then I sold some bolt cutters for about $30 shipping them. Heavy items, but people buy stuff like that on Marketplace, guys, and they will pay to have it shipped to them. These ain't the first heavy items that I paid for or that somebody paid for to have me shipped to them. So don't be afraid to put stuff up there and to charge for shipping. I charged, I think I charged $40, $50 for that thing to be shipped, and the guy paid it. So whatever, it is what it is. I'm gonna ship it out. I'm gonna get it out there. But like I said, I'm gonna lose $8. It was a tape measure. And it sold on eBay, and I didn't realize that I didn't take it down off a Marketplace. So it's one thing you gotta watch out for. But that's not gonna stop me. So if I still wasn't doing that, I wouldn't have these orders. This more than makes up for it. And List Perfectly is $50 a month. But since I started doing that, I'm mad at myself for taking so long to even start doing it. I'm mad that it took so long for me that I even had to think about it. Like, it's a no-brainer, man. It's a no-brainer. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys, man. Yeah, it's slow online right now, but look at this. I got 29 orders going out. I'll probably get a few more. I know I did just have, I checked Amazon. I got a couple more FBA sales. And who knows, I might get another FBM sale on there. Probably get a few more eBay orders. I don't know about Poshmark or Macari. Maybe I'll get an order on them or not. But either way, like I said, that's 13 orders that if all I was doing was eBay, talking about since Christmas now, Thursday, I would only have 16 orders going out tomorrow. 16. But because I cross-posted a lot of the stuff from eBay to these other ones, except Amazon, of course, those are different items. But because I cross-posted, I got these extra sales. And because I started using Amazon, I just took the leap and just started doing it, man. I mean, I made a couple mistakes. I made some mistakes on shipping and a couple other mistakes that cost me a few bucks. But my sales have been going up. I'm doing pretty good. I'm working on getting ungated in some areas. I've been having a lot of FBA sales. I've been having a lot of FBM sales. So my profits are increasing. And so, I got this over here. What this is, basically, don't pay attention to my hole because I did that trying to fix this probably about 10 minutes ago. But now this is my monthly revenue since June, but this is just eBay. Just eBay. In November, I did $35.87. In December, my goal was $4,000, all right, in gross sales on eBay. Now, across all platforms, I'm already over $4,000 in sales. I'm way past that. But I was just working this out for eBay because I'm trying to do certain things on eBay. But across all platforms, I'm well over $4,000 in gross sales now. I can't remember the exact number, but yeah. So if you haven't started cross-posting, man, maybe start off with one platform first, get used to it. I kind of just went in and did all of them at once. I don't know, man. That's just how I do things. Once I get started or want to do it, I just go. But it can be taxing. It does take some extra time, take some extra energy. You got to go between platforms. You might have to go between shipping sites. Sometimes Amazon might not have the shipping option I want. So then I got to either go to PayPal to use UPS, or I got this other site called, I think it's Go Shippo. Something like that. I use that one. Or Pirate Ship. But, Pirate Ship is only USPS. So, usually if Amazon is giving you options, USPS is already going to be in there, so no point in going to Power Ship for that. It's going to be probably the same rates, if not lower, on Amazon anyway. I know some of the first class packages I've been sending out on Amazon have been cheaper than on eBay and through Power Ship. So yeah, sales, man, might be slow. Cash your net out, man. Start fishing in more ponds, you know. Don't just fish in the same pond. You got to put some hooks in some other ponds. See what you get up, all right? My name is Eddie. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe because I'm coming with more videos. I'm bringing the work, man. Peace.